Bigla-bigla ka na lang nagsasalita. Hindi mo man lang dino-double check kung meron ba akong kausap.
Sorry, boss.
You were saying,
Oh, it's Yaji Group, boss. Yun po yung mafia group na gusto tayong patumbahin matagal na.
and
Ah, yun lang, boss.
that's all. That's fucking all! You intervened with my call just to say that shit? Alamin niyo kung sino-sinong members sila at anong plano nila. Huwag niyo akong bibigyan ng update na matagal ko ng alam!
Yes, boss.
Let me go now.
Okay, boss.